Hi, it's NS here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create QR code in Canva. Before I start this video, have you subscribed to this channel? If no, then do me a favor by subscribing to this channel, turn on post notification, and tell a friend about this channel. In this video, you are about to learn how to generate QR code for your Instagram page, YouTube page, Facebook page. Think of anything that you want to generate QR code for. You can do it right in Canva. So let me show you how. If this is something that you are looking for, then let's dive into the video. On your Canva dashboard on canva.com, go to the sidebar and type on apps. If this is the first time you are using QR code in Canva, you can search for the QR code in the search bar, or you can scroll to the bottom. You will see popular QR code. Type on it. This dialog box will appear. Enter URL. So you go ahead and copy your Instagram link or your YouTube link and paste it in here. After that, click on generate code. In a few minutes, you have your QR code ready. You can also customize your QR code. So let me show you how. Tap on the customize. You can change the background color or the foreground color, and also you can change the imaging. So let's maintain this one and change the foreground color to yellow, and also the background color to blue, and type on update code. Now you can see the background color and the foreground color has been changed. You can also stretch it to your prefer. After that, you can hit on the share button and download your QR code. This is how simple you can generate QR code in Canva. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you do, consider subscribing to this channel and turn on post notification. You can also tell a friend about this channel. I have two amazing videos on the screen. Maybe you like it. Enjoy watching them. Until we meet again, peace out.